Much for the fridge. Much you selling it for?
It's free.
Free?
Aye, free. Nothing. Hee-haw. Here's the day if you can take it away.
It's a quality fridge. How come you're getting rid of it?
I'm wanting a new fridge.
Why out here though? Stick it on Facebook, make some money.
No goat Facebook.
Get a pal to do it for you.
No goat pals.
You're in the middle of nowhere, mate. Just abandon it.
I've got my reasons, mate.
Ken what? Mate. You can stick your fridge up your arsehole. I was going to get my mate to come in his van and take it off you, but you're a fucking oddball sitting out here in the middle of nowhere wanting to get rid of our fridge. Nobody's wanting your fucking stinking fridge. Stick it up your hole. Dick.